Morning everyone. Today my topic is basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. The concept of theorem is a line drawn parallel to any one side of triangle. There are three sides of triangle. So a line drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle divides other two sides proportionally. Divides other two sides of triangle proportionally. So from theorem, what is given? DE parallel to BC. It is given only this much. DE parallel to BC. And we have to prove this line divides proportionally. AD by DB is equal AE by EC. AD by DB is equal AE by AC. So now I am going to start proof. First I will make both triangles similar. There are two triangles ADE and ABC. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, as DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC, so corresponding angle ADE is equal angle ABC because corresponding angle, due to corresponding angle. And again angle AED is equal angle ACB due to corresponding angle. Due to corresponding angle. And angle A is common. So by postulate of similarity AAA or by AA, both triangles are similar. So by AA postulate triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Understood? Both triangles are similar. Now similarity postulate, their sides are proportional to each other. Their sides are proportional to each other. That's why we can write here AB by AD is equal AC by AE. AC by AE. Now AB is equal AD plus DB and AC is equal AE plus EC. So I am writing here AB is equal AD plus DB by AD is equal AC AE plus EC by AE. Implies this can write 1 plus DB by AD is equal 1 plus EC by AE. Now removing 1 from both sides. Removing 1 from both sides. I am drawing here. It can write implies removing 1 from both sides. DB by AD is equal EC by AE. EC by AE. DB by AD Now reciprocal of this, we can write AD by DB is equal AE by AC. Now theorem proved. Both sides are proportional to each other. That means the line parallel to any one side of a triangle divides other two sides of triangle is proportionally, which is proved. I hope understand everyone. Okay, my next topic is converse of basic. Today my second topic is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem over. Now converse of basic proportionality theorem. First understand what is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. What is it? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle proportionally, the line is parallel to third side. That means if a triangle ABC is given, any line DE divides two sides of triangle proportionally. If a line DE divides any two sides of triangle proportionally, then this line is parallel to third side. That means in your theorem, what is given? Given the line divides the side proportionally. It means AD by DB is equal AE by EC. AD by DB is equal AE by EC. And we have to prove now DE parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Now I am going to start proof. Given AD by DB is equal AE by EC, taking reciprocal of both, taking both sides, any operation we can do, plus, minus, multiplication, division. So taking reciprocal of both is DB by AD is equal AC by AE. Now reciprocal of both sides, DB by AD, EC by AE. Now adding both side 1. 1 plus DB by AD is equal 1 plus EC by AE. Adding both side 1 is equal implies AD plus DB by AD is equal AE plus AC by AE. Adding both side 1, then AD plus DB by AD is equal AE plus EC by AE. Now see in your diagram, AD plus DB, that means side AB. So we can write AB by AD is equal AE plus EC, that means AC by AC by AE. AC by AE. Now recall the postulate of similarity. In postulate of similarity, if in two triangles their corresponding sides are proportional to each other and corresponding angles are equal, and their angle A is equal angle A. Angle A is common in both triangle and sides are proportional to the corresponding sides. That's why both triangles are similar to each other. Both triangles are similar to each other. So we can write triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. ADE similar to triangle ABC, and if both are similar, so their corresponding angles are equal. It means this angle is equal to this one and this angle is equal to this one, implies angle ADE is equal to angle AED and angle B is equal angle C. And if corresponding angles are equal, it means both lines are parallel to each other. Understood? Their corresponding angles are equal, so both lines are parallel to each other. Now we can write, if corresponding angles are equal, implies DE parallel to BC. Now your theorem proved. I hope you understand properly. It's clear? Next my topic will be explain a very easy question of exercise 15B, first number. I am explaining, and they are given some question part wise, to find out AE by EC, AD by AB, AE by EC, and there are two more questions are given. I hope through this you can understand properly all concept of question. So in this question, point D divides the side. Point D divides the side, any one side of triangle, any one side of a triangle in ratio 3:5. Is 3:5. Divides the side in ratio 3:5. And as in symbol, it is given DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. So first number here to find out AE by EC. AE by EC. Now first number is given AD by DB is equal 3/5, and second thing is given DE parallel to BC. We have to find AE, that means other side proportionality. In what proportion this line divide, that we have to find. Now according to the basic proportionality theorem, from basic proportionality theorem, a line parallel to any one side of triangle divides the other two sides in equal proportion. That's why by basic proportionality theorem, this line is parallel, and if divides first line in 3:5, so AD by DB is equal AE by EC, and AD by DB given implies AE by EC is also 3:5, because both of equal proportion. That's why it is 3/5. First number here, this much only. Very basic thing. Understood? Now second number. Second number you have to prove AD by, you have to find out AD by AB. AD by AB. Now from first we got AE by EC. is equal 3 by 5. From first number we got. And AE by EC, AE by EC is equal AD by DB, AD by DB, and given it is 3 by 5 because both triangles are similar, already I have proved. So 3 by 5. Now adding both side 1, first taking reciprocal AD by DB, then take reciprocal DB by AD, and there also 5 by 3, and then adding 1 both side. Then AD plus DB by AD is equal 3 ones are 3 and 5 is 8, 8 by 3. Adding both, it is AB by AD is equal 8 by 3. Understand? And now again reciprocal of this AD by AB is equal 3 by 8. Is equal 3 by 8. Understand? Okay. Now number AE by AC. AE by AC. As a triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. In first number already I had proved both triangles are similar. Both triangles are similar. So by similarity postulate their sides are proportional. Their sides are proportional. That's why AD by AB is equal AE by AC. AE by AC. And from 2 number already I got AD by AB is equal 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is equal AE by AC. So third number is AE by AC is equal 3 by 8. Understand? Okay. Now some other application. Also, if DE is equal 2.4, DE is equal 2.4, then find BC. DE is equal 2.4, then first number, as both triangle ADE and ABC are similar, as both triangles are similar, triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC, their sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. AD by AB is equal AE by AC is equal AE by BC. All sides are proportional to each other. Is equal DE by BC. DE by BC. Now implies from third or 2 number AE by AC is equal 3 by 8. So we can write DE by BC is equal AE by AC, and DE value given 2.4 by BC is equal 3 by 8. Implies BC is equal by cross multiplication rule 8 to 2.4 by 3. BC is equal 2.4 into 8 by 3. 0.8 is equal 8 8 are 64. So centimeter, 6.4 centimeter, and similarly we can get second number also. I hope you understand all concept and now can proceed ahead. Okay, thank you.